How are you making the most of your emergency fund? Are you just letting it sit and collect dust in a standard bank account, or are you putting that cash to work with a high-yield savings account? If you're ready to graduate to a higher APY, then you've probably heard of two big players in the online savings space, Popular Direct and Discover Bank. But which one is the better home for your money? In this quick comparison, we're going to break down Popular Direct's exclusive savings account against the Discover online savings account. We'll look at the key metrics that matter, the annual percentage yield, minimum requirements, and the overall banking experience. Let's start with the most important one, the APY. As of our latest research, Popular Direct is generally offering a higher annual percentage yield on their exclusive savings account, often in the range of 4.1% or more. Discover's online savings account, while highly competitive with a solid APY, around 3.40%, often trails Popular Direct by a noticeable margin. If your absolute top priority is getting the highest interest rate available, Popular Direct usually has the edge. However, the rate isn't the whole story. Next up is minimum requirements and fees. This is where the accounts start to differentiate significantly. Popular Direct's exclusive savings account often requires a minimum opening deposit, typically a few $1,000s, and if you close the account within 180 days, you might face an early closure fee. Discover, on the other hand, is built on simplicity. There is no minimum opening deposit, no minimum balance requirement to earn the APY, and no monthly maintenance fees. Finally, let's talk about the overall banking experience. Discover is a well-known, full-service online bank that offers 24/7 US-based customer service and a highly rated mobile app where you can manage checking, credit cards, and your savings all in one place. Popular Direct, while competitive on rates, operates as an online division of Popular Bank. Customers have reported that the digital interface and customer service options are not as seamless or robust as those offered by Discover. Plus, Popular Direct's savings account doesn't come with an ATM card, whereas Discover offers one with their bank accounts, though not typically with the savings account itself. So, here's the bottom line. Choose Popular Direct if your primary goal is maximizing the APY and you have the minimum deposit ready to go. Choose Discover Bank if you prioritize a simple, no-fee experience, top-tier customer service, an excellent mobile app, and the flexibility of zero minimum deposit, even if it means a slightly lower APY. Make sure you check the current rates for both banks today, as APYs are always changing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.